clicked on this video because you want better grades. Well, there's one really simple trick that I think all of you can do. It's applicable for anyone and it will significantly improve your grades, and it has also improved mine. And it just sleep right. If you want to study less but still get good grades, like this guy over here who's very happy with his A+, then you're not gonna be sleeping on your desk in school. Because whatever your teacher is teaching, you simply can't hear it if you're sleeping. So just sleep like a normal person. That's the main rule. Sleep from 9 to 10 and wake up at around 6 or 5. Because that directly improves how much you're able to memorize, which improves how much you learn while you're in school. But it also improves how much you can pay attention, because I know it may sound very school like, but you need to be listening to the teacher. Because the teacher, after all, is there to help. The teacher is meant to help you pass the exam. And if you're going to be sleeping, if you're not going to listen, well, you can see for yourself the results. You can see the results for yourself. Because when you're suppose you are awake until 1 a.m. watching YouTube shorts or playing Fortnite or whatever, then you come to school as this person, and your brain's pretty much just operating on autopilot, and that basically just means that you're in class but your mind's in some other universe. Because when you're sleeping, when you're this guy, then the chances of anything being memorized are 0%. The chances of anything happening go out the window. And like, yeah, I get it. There are many distractions. I get that you come from school late, all people do. And there are all sorts of distractions, like your friends asking you to hop onto Fortnite, or that new Netflix show, or a random YouTube video that got you learning about the Japanese feudal system. But do this. Set a consistent bedtime and a consistent wake up time, even on the weekends. I know it's sad, but just set up a consistent bedtime and a consistent wake up time. And the National Sleep Foundation and Harvard both found that it boosts your brain power and it also keeps you sharp during the day. You can finally actually understand what the teacher was telling you all along. So, it just sounds a lot like I said before. Better sleep time equals to a better memory and better focus. It's what you've been looking for all this time, right? Well, so just set a constant bedtime, 10 p.m., or for some people who are even more dedicated, even 9 p.m. And you will stop being this guy who's always in another universe, and you'll start being this guy who can soak up all the information like a sponge. Well, that'll cost you one subscribe if you want better grades, because I'm here just to help you. And if you want more value out of my channel and out of yourself, well, that'll cost one subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.